Back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In this video, I will show you how to run the Postgres databases by using Docker command. So for setting up the Postgres using Docker command, we need to pull the Docker images from the Docker Hub registry. So I'm going to open the cmd command by using Windows R. Here, let's check first which images are available in my local Docker. So there is a command Docker images. You can see here Postgres images not available in my local Docker. So let's pull the Docker Postgres Docker images. So I'm going to Chrome browser here going to Docker Hub registry. Here typing the Postgres. Now you will see the Docker Postgres Docker images. So by pulling the Docker images, we need to follow the commands docker pull Postgres. So copying this, going to cmd, pasting it, docker pull Postgres, enter it. It will pull the images from the Docker Hub registry to in my local Docker. Once it is pulled in my local Docker, then we need to run this Postgres images. So for running, there is a configuration property which needs to add in the running time, like Postgres username and Postgres username, Postgres password, and so on. Like Postgres password, Postgres user, Postgres databases, and so on. Many property are available. So based on our requirement, we need to configure variables. So let's check. Yeah, it is downloaded in my local Docker. So I'm going to check images. So there is a command Docker images. Here you will see Postgres images are available in my local Docker. Now going to run these images. Right now, if I check, there is no running container available and there is no stopped container available. So let's run the Postgres images. So there is a command docker run hyphen hyphen name. This is the container name which are going to provide. Now passing the environment variables Postgres user, passing username as a Java and passing the password Postgres password as a root 12345 and passing the databases name. It will create the databases as well. Docker Postgres DB equal to DB test. Now let's open the port for external uses 5432 colon 5432. Other one port is a after colon port is the container port and before colon port is a external port which is exposed for all the users for accessing purpose. Now let's define the images name here. I'm going to enter it. It will take some times. Yeah, now you can see create database. It is executed. You will see a message database system is ready to accept connection. Now going to download the pgAdmin client. Here you will see pgAdmin official website is appear. Going to click it. You can download anyone. So I'm going to download November release pgAdmins. Clicking it, clicking here exe file and download it. Yeah, now it is going to download. It will take some times. So wait after it is not downloaded. Let's wait. Now as I see, it is downloaded. Yeah, now it is downloaded. Going to install it by double clicking. So I'm going to double click here. Once it is installed, then we need to connect the running Docker Postgres images in our PG admin client. Let's wait. Let's let's accept the agreement. Yeah, now it is going to install. It will take some times. Let's wait until it is not installed. It will take some times because I'm going to install it first time. So that's why it is taking so much time. Let's wait until it is not started, not installed. Yeah, now it is installed. Let us select the second option button. No, I will start the computer. Finish it. Let's run the pgAdmin. I'm going to double click in pgAdmin. Once it is start, then we need to pass the Postgres username, password, and port as well, and then we will connect it. Now it is installed. Now it is open. Let's click the add new servers. Yeah, here we need to pass the any name based on our requirement like dev, like test, like prod, like the same thing. So here I'm going to define local dev and let's click the connection. Here we need to pass the host name. So I'm going to define as a local host and this is the port which I have exposed in the running time. Now going to pass username as a Java because if you see here I have passed the username as a Java and password root12345. So here we need to pass the root 1 2 3 4 5, save password, or not saving the password and clicking the save button. Let's check. Yeah, now it is connected. You can see here, last time I have also created the database. So here you will see the DB test. Here our schema will available, and if you want to create the table, so you need to create here table by clicking, by right clicking. Here define the table's name and owner of the tables. Schema is public or not, same thing we can define here. Table name is spaces. Here we need to define the columns one by one by clicking here. In advanced section we need to apply the R, RLS policy. We can also create the indexes with index, all those things. Here we can define the partitions. Security, we can provide the security here. This is a SQL type. Now I'm going to close this one. So in this video I have shown you to how to pull the Postgres Docker images from the Docker of registry in the local Docker. Now I have shown you how to run the pulled Postgres images in local Docker local Docker. After running the Docker images of the Postgres, we have connected to running Postgres server to the PG clients, which I have shown in this video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.